here at pretty much nothing. I'm playing around. Here is something I wanted to do since I first discovered what Arc4 was coming from ETH and all that. Now we have Arc56, it's fun. So I'm happy to present Revelio. Revelio is a Arc56 registry. It's as centralized as it gets at the moment, not really much secure. But let me show you how this works. So let me create a project, create new project, name, devs. You have an abbreviation, you'll see why, dev. Here in the flow, there will be an extremely secure way of verifying that you're yourself, because otherwise you could squat someone else's name. Of course, this is centralized. At the moment, the extremely secure verification is this. Once you've created your project, you can upload a contract. Wonderful name. Look at my naming skills. Let's put a version, an app ID, round valid from. This hopefully will all be done through an API, and it will connect with your CI/CD pipelines in the distant future. Round valid from 1, address like this. And let's add an Arc56, something that's easy, like the box contract example on the Puya repo. So this is the contract. All of a sudden, everyone can access it. You can download the Arc56. You see the app ID, all that. Fairly simple. Why am I doing this? Well, it could probably increase readability in explorers. So if you're using LoRa with LocalNet and you upload your Arc, all of a sudden you read and you see the method names. Well, this can scale, if you all join this can be scaled to mainnet. So all of a sudden, readability increases for explorers, readability increases for wallets, and also if you want to integrate and create interoperability with other parts of the network, that's how you do it. Because I've also done, there's a second part of the demo, which is a CLI. And this is how you could possibly integrate it with an AlgoKit. So here I just queried the API to see, ooh, it updated. So I just queried the API to see what projects are on Revelio. Let me pick my project, dev. I see that there's one contract uploaded, so I do CLI install and the app ID, which is, and it spits out the Arc56. So in this case, you pass it through the client generator, and then you can interact with a mainnet application. That's it.